So hello everyone. So this is the video number one. So in this video, I'll be talking about Python setup and how to set up Python as a beginner. So here I'm gonna share you this link into the description. So this is the official Python link. You can just copy it and paste it into the Chrome tab, or you can just in the Chrome tab you can just type Python download, and whichever is the first link, which is from www.python.org, and that's the thing. So about this, I'll be these are the I guess these are the versions. So right now the latest version is 3.1 3.14.6. So this is the latest release date. So you can download according to your environment variable. So in this you get option for Mac, for Android, for Linux, for Windows. So I'm gonna download the first link, which is as a download Python installation manager. So here you can see, so this is a zip file, but I'll give you an option to also download this python.exe. So this is a .exe file, both are same, but .exe helps you in a direct installation. So I'll go through .exe and just give you the walkthrough. So after with respect to that, let's see. Yes, it's been done within a few seconds. So let's talk about what's Python. So Python is a coding language. So it's a easy language in a for non-tech people also. They can also adapt in a very understanding way. So since it has very less syntax and more English towards the language, as per my experience towards Python. So understanding Python is quite very easy, where you see a big community into the Python, while where they contribute into the community through libraries like pandas and numpys, and more of the inbuilt library and inbuilt function which has been contributed into Python. So Python is a top level active contribution language. So let's install, and here we go. And so these are the two options, but you can use this also, and this is zip, and this is a direct AMD 64. Since I'm using Windows, so for me it's an uh, Windows installer. So I have already installed, so you'll just get the install option. For me it's modify, repair, or uninstall. For your sake, I'll just proceed with it as a modify button, and you can just click on everything, pylon, Python test, and each and everything next. And you can select your let it be as default, so it would be better. And this is the location here, and you can just click on install and it will be installed. So after this, I'll just go into the Python version. You have to go into terminal, and let's see, Python version. So you can see 3.1.4.6, which is the latest version which I have installed. As you can see, a 3.1.4.6. And right now I'll also give you a basics VS Code setup, where you can download through VS Code also. So VS Code, no, this is not the link. So VS Code download. So yeah. So in the VS Code, you can see three or multiple options to download. So for Windows, for .deb, for .orpm, which is Linux, and for Mac also. So you can choose any of the installer system. And while installing, I just give you one piece of advice. So whenever there is an option called open through folders, so please click on it. So whenever you go into the folder and right click onto the folder, and shift plus right click on the onto the folder, you get an option to directly open through VS Code, which is a good, a UI option. As in it will be helpful for you as non-tech or a tech person, as per my experience. So let's see into the VS Code part. So I'm going to open VS Code. So here in the VS Code, you have to open a new file or any file. So right now, first of all, I'll be showing you how to check on. Okay, let me see. Check this. So how to get into extension. So this is an extension button. So it's if you haven't installed VS Code into the ever into your system anytime. So this in this you get a cloud code option, all the system option, system configuration option. So I'll be sharing you this Python. So you get an option to download Python from here also. So you can download through VS Code also. I have already downloaded, so I'm getting uninstall option, but you can just install it. And after installing it, I suggest you through the year you can check on terminal, new terminal. So let's see. So I'm gonna type Python version. So it's same as 3.14.6, which we have already installed. And let's see, let's open a .py file, and let's see what we can do. uh, so file, uh, okay, open a new open okay, new file. Let's do new file. Okay, file. So open folder. I'll create a new folder. For example, let's create a new folder, PyTest. Let's create this and select folder. So right now VS Code is been opened into the new folder, so which is PyTest. So I'll create a new file inside this, naming it as test.py. .py is the extension for Python. So it's for example, and one more thing I would like to share. So in the latest current era, Python is the worst in the sense you have to know this language in on the top, since all the recruitment happens in terms of data science, data analyst, and all the machine learning and all the stuff, and also people who wants to get into Python, or who wants to get into or transit their career into data science, machine learning, or any of your field or domain. You can start with Python as it's a very common English language, I would say. So let's test. So I'm going to type something simple, as this is the first class. So print, uh, let's type hello world, hello Vishal. Let's type hello Vishal. Okay, Vishal. So this is done. So I'm gonna save it, and let's run into your terminal. uh, let's do it. So see, you can see I have run this, and it's showing hello Vishal printed into my system. I'll just tag this. Okay, so this is what I would like to show you all into the Python system. So yeah, so thankfully I hope you all like this video, and yeah, thank you.